Explorers. Today we'll look at three common mistakes and how to fix them. She don't sings well. This is a common mistake. The correct sentence is she doesn't sing well. When using third person singular subjects like she, he, or it, always pair them with doesn't instead of don't. Additionally, after doesn't, the verb must remain in its pay form. This rule keeps your sentences grammatically correct. Next one I have for you. We didn't went there yesterday. The correct sentence would be we didn't go there yesterday. After the auxiliary verb, didn't, the main verb always stays in its base form, not the past tense. So replace went with go. Last but not the least, he were very happy. This is an error in subject verb agreement. Since he is singular, it should pair with was, not were, which is used for plural subject. So the correct sentence is he was very happy. Keep practicing these simple yet important rules. See you next time on English Explorers with Rhythm.